Hey everyone and welcome to Electric Design. Today we'll be electrifying the MAZDA MX-5 Miata. The MAZDA Miata, the little roadster from the Japanese automaker, has been on the market for the past 20 years and it holds the crown as the best seller worldwide in the roadster segment and acquire a large and loyal fan base thanks to its lightweight structure and amazing handling. I personally think the current Miata proportions are great, though the details on both the front and back ends are too subtle. I really like the previous generation's happy and smiley vibe, and I want to carry it into the electric version. So in this case, I will focus on details in order to make the front end look positive and sleek. Anyway, the Miata is an ICE vehicle, which means it's highly pollutive and bad for the environment. So let's give it a fresh electrified look. My goal here is to create an electric model based on the underpinnings of the original car. I have no intention to create the most beautiful design or even the perfect Photoshop render. I rather would like to create a quick visualization of an ecological alternative based on the original design philosophy, and not to come up with something completely new that would break many design principles of the car and the brand visual appearance. I want it to be recognized as what it is, plus the fact that we are certainly talking about the electric version and not confusing it with something else. With that in mind, I'll have to make sure it looks Miata-ish enough as well as an electric model. With no gas engine at the front, there is no need for a big grill to allow air to go through and cool the absent engine. Instead, I will make a much more wide and smiley impression in order to respect the heritage as well as creating a solid stance. My main inspiration for this redesign is the Japanese manga, art and illustrations, in order to implement a much more illustrative graphics to the front end. For example, the crab pencil-like shape of the corner's air intakes surrounding the center with a wide fish mouth resemblance, creating an unique and animated impression. Also, the current headlights makes the car look sad and miserable. I'll change it to resemble a dragon eyebrow, as well as adding hues for overall Asian illustrated and sporty look. By the way, the headlights is the weakest element in the overall design, mainly because the graphics inside are boring. Even the Mazda 2 have a better headlights design. But above all is the shape of the turn signal, which reminds me of this yellowish eye discharge. Ugh. So in our case, I placed the turn signal in the top section of the headlight, integrated well with the body sections. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, an electric Miata. Who said electric cars are boring? There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.